cutting up the tomatoes to check that they're nice and ripe on the inside.
And we do a beautiful job.
Nice, beautiful, and red.
This is family day, ladies and gentlemen. This is nice. Are you the new Andrew? You've been doing this for a while too. First time. How does it feel like being here for the first time?
It's good. I'm excited.
What about you, Amanda? You've been doing this for how long now? Wow. And you still love it? It's great, I know. Because you love your pasta.
Love it.
What about these boys here? Oh, you can see the smile on the face. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Italian Tomato Day. We're here at the Vince house. This is a family who live next door to me. And every year, for about 50 years, they've been doing Tomato Day here in Australia. And now the grandkids are doing this. They're passing the tradition from generation to generation.
Welcome to DiCamillo Family Tomato Day. We just finished cutting the tomatoes and it's 8:30 in the morning and we're all starving. So we're currently making breakfast for everyone.
So what time did you start?
5:30.
And so this is your breakfast?
This is
lunch.
breakfast.
This is lunch.
It's breakfast. It's the first meal of the day.
No, what's your role today?
Yes, my God, everything.
What does it mean, Tomato Day, to you, Vince?
It means a lot. It means a lot. That's 1 year of supply.
This is a special day for Italian families because during the year we do eat pasta, as you know, or meatballs or whatever. And tomato sauce is the most important ingredient in our cuisine, one of the most important ingredients.
Okay, so what we got in here, we got the tomatoes, they're boiling, right? So they sit in here for about, depending anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes. They boil. Now obviously the bottom boils quicker than the top, and what we're looking for is for the skin to start coming off the tomato. So you can see it's getting soft, but it's not quite there yet.
This is the passata. We soften the tomatoes, we boil the tomato, so they get all nice and soft, all the skin comes off.
Yes.
Then we put them in here, and they strain away all the water strains out.
Yeah.
And then we put it in there, and that's a passata machine. All the juice comes out, all the seeds go into the bucket there. And then what we're doing now...
So it's a homemade... Oh, right, I see that.
The skin, now we're putting the skin back in, so we get more juice out of it.
What does Italian Tomato Day means to you?
Means from the heart, mate. I love it. I love it. We come here, no. We take the pasta sauce. We don't feel guilty because we've helped.
Yes.
Right. This here, the lever, the bottle, in, turn, fill up to about here. Not too much further.
Why?
For pressure.
I am top, I am close, I am top of the bottle, tomato bottle. This is the top, this is the machine. Done. Have a look. You see this? That little ring there, that means it's complete, done.
Sealed.
Sealed.
Do you like it? Huh?
You know how long I do this?
How long?
60 years since I came in this country, but I was doing before I came here.
Little boy.
You're an expert, Vince.
And when I didn't come here, was a lot of people, they didn't know what to do. So I was involved and they learned off me. My mother used to do the tomato, I used to put the cork. You understand the cork?
Yes.
And she used to tie her up with string. Those days this didn't exist.
So pretty much what we've got to do, we've got to grab it one by one, and then we've got to lay it. You lay one that way.
What's at the bottom there?
I don't know, some piece of fake grass, I think.
Okay.
And then you lay one this way. And then you lay one this way.
Is there a reason why you're doing that?
I think we fit more in, but personally, as long as it gets in there and we preserve it, that's all I'm happy about.
Yes.
I'm the little things, the little stuff. She's the master in the kitchen.
Vince, learning from you, huh?
Se parlo con Vince di me, lui è tutto.
You're the real master.
Look at it. She's the master in the kitchen. Mi sembrava che dicevo del toilet.
Vince, what do you got here? 450 bottles.
That was last year, 455 bottles. Now, I still got about 100.
Final stage is we're going to make sure that this drum is full of water. That way when we turn the element on below it, it heats it all up and we can start preserving it. So as you can see, the water's coming up now. A little bit more, maybe another couple of minutes with the hose.
No bubble, everything okay. This present moment I retire and I haven't got much work. If somebody they want to do bottle, I will help them. So I want to sit and down and smoke all day.
How much do you charge, Vince?
We'll see, you know. Not much.
Last bottle. How good is this? We are done for the day. Fill this up with some water. Let the baby boil, and then she's gonna sit and we empty it maybe later this afternoon or tomorrow morning, and then we're done. We have tomato sauce to last us maybe 6 months with the way we eat pasta, you know.
You know, tomato day, it's a very long day, but it brings people together, it brings family together, and we have to say thanks to this wonderful family for introducing us to the family. Thank you. Thank you for inviting us today. And now she's feeding me. We have to make tomatoes, signora. I'm not here to eat, I'm here to make tomatoes.